Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
First, try a forced restart. For iPhone 8 and later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, followed by pressing and holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7, hold the volume down and sleep, wake buttons simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier, hold down the home and sleep, wake buttons simultaneously. If the issue persists, check if the battery is charged by plugging your iPhone into a power source. If there's no response after charging, seek professional support.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.